Hello. Hello, hello. Are you using a headset today? Hi. Oh, are you going to wait for 10 p.m. or 9 p.m.? Okay. Hi. We can start now if you want. What is that for? We've been talking in the group chat and now you're gonna say hello? Hi? Too late. We've been talking the whole time. Oh, my hair is so messy. We've got 2 minutes left. Are you listening? Would you like to turn on your camera so we can start? Because your exam is 45 minutes long, so I have to extend a bit to have some instructions for you, dear. Hello. What? Let me hear you. You might not, I might not hear you clearly. Oh, unmute, 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 unmute. There you go. Hello. Oh, you have a bad audio. This sound like grr, grr, grr. It's something like that when you try to speak. What do you use?
Yes,
What do you use?
I'm use computer.
Computer. Okay. Okay. Haven't you fixed your headset yet?
What is that?
Your headset like this
No, I
doesn't work. Okay. So as you know, today is test day. Okay. And as I have told you, the test consists of 4 parts. What are the 4 parts of the exam? Listening, reading. Oh, just
I
3. Listening, reading, and speaking. And each part has 2 tasks. Listening, task 1, task 2. Reading, task 3, task 4. Speaking,
I
task 5 and 6. Mhm.
no
And
writing.
no writing, but you're going to write down your answers. Oh, what's that?
I
Is that a drawing of the hand of my boy? Okay. Oh, what just happened? Okay. So as I have said, you only got 45 minutes to finish the test. And if you've got remaining time, I will let you to review your answers, okay?
oh, okay.
Mhm. And then, what else? I'm not going to explain the words. I'm not going to read the instructions. And I looked into the listening part. It doesn't say if you can only listen once or twice. So I think you can listen again and again if you want to. Okay? Okay. So let's begin. I'm going to set a timer 45 minutes. Mhm. Wait. Oh, wait. I should say that reading task 2 is worth 2 marks. So it's got bigger points. Some have only 1.5, 1.5, but reading part 2 has 2 marks. It's worth 2 marks. And okay, so I want you to be careful and do your best. Okay, I'm gonna screen share now. Okay, there you go.
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
Okay, please write listening. Okay,
Okay.
or maybe you can do it by yourself. Just look at it. Okay. Or if you want, You can write your answers on the screen. Which one do you prefer? Which one will consume less time? Writing or on the screen?
Writing. I think
Okay, I agree. Okay. Listening, listening, listening. Okay. Timer. Is it clear? Can you see it clearly?
yes.
Okay. Ready? Timer starts now.
Lesson 4G, Exercises 3 and 4. Student 1.
The first photo shows 3 teenage girls and a boy. I think they're at.
Oh, wait. Tell me if you want me to pause the audio, okay? Pause or play. Okay? Are we good? Task 1, write 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 on your paper.
A music festival.
Again.
Lesson 4G, Exercises 3 and 4. Student 1.
The first photo shows 3 teenage girls and a boy. I think they're at a music festival. They're walking down a muddy path. In the second photo, I can see a street market at night. It can't be in Britain because some of the shop signs aren't in English.
Mm-hmm. Do you want me to continue?
I can't hear anything.
You can't hear anything?
It's so hard.
Okay.
They're walking down a muddy path. In the second photo, I can see a street market at night. It can't be in Britain because some of the shop signs aren't in English. In the
Okay. Tell me if you're done and we can continue. Can we continue? You can listen again.
Can we listen? Okay.
Want to listen again?
No, I will listen. Oh, and again one more time.
Okay.
see a street market at night. It can't be in Britain because some of the shop signs aren't in English.
Okay. So this is British accent, not American. So it's quite slang. Shall we continue?
Yes.
Okay.
In the foreground, a young man and woman are walking along the street. In the background, there are a few other people. Both photos show people in their free time. One obvious difference is that the first photo is taken during the day and the second photo is taken at night. In the first photo, it must be a rainy day because they're wearing raincoats.
You can listen again later. Just write down your answers as much as you could.
In the second photo, it must be a cold night because the people are wearing winter coats and scarves.
You get it?
I have to listen it again one more time.
Okay, all of them? From the start?
All of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lesson 4G, Exercises 3 and 4. Student 1.
The first photo shows 3 teenage girls and a boy. I think they're at a music festival. They're walking down a muddy path. In the second photo, I can see a street market at night. It can't be in Britain because some of the shop signs aren't in English. In the foreground, a young man and woman are walking along the street. In the background, there are a few other people. Both photos show people in their free time. One obvious difference is that the first photo is taken during the day and the second photo is taken at night. In the first photo, it must be a rainy day because they're wearing raincoats. In the second photo, it must be a cold night because the people are wearing winter coats and scarves. In the first photo, the people don't look very happy, especially the girl in the middle and the boy in the background. Perhaps they're feeling fed up because of the weather. In the second photo, the man and woman are probably feeling cold but not unhappy.
Okay. Shall we move to the next part? Shall we move to the next part?
I don't know. Okay.
Uh-huh. You want to listen again?
I want to, but there is time to do that.
Okay. Okay. We spent 6 minutes. Let's move to the next part.
Of course, okay.
Tell me if we can move to the next part.
Yeah, we can move to the next part.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Tell me if you want me to play the audio, if you're ready.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Lesson 6C. Exercises 8 and 9.
Georgina Hepworth finished her lunch and relaxed in her seat with a cup of tea. She was nearly 2 hours into the flight. She turned to the woman in the seat next to her and said, "I'm really looking forward to my holiday in Spain." "Oh, when are you going to Spain then?" asked her fellow passenger. "Well, now, of course," said Georgina. The woman gave her a puzzled look. "Not on this plane, you're not," she replied. That's when Georgina found out that her plane wasn't heading for the historic city of Granada in Spain, but for the island of Grenada in the Caribbean. The Spanish city is 1,500 kilometers south of London. The island, on the other hand, is 7,000 kilometers away on the other side of the Atlantic. After her husband died earlier in the year, Georgina decided to go on holiday to Spain. She contacted a travel agent and booked the flight on the phone. When the tickets arrived in the post, she didn't notice that one letter was different in the name of the destination. It said Grenada, not Granada, but I didn't look very closely, Georgina later explained. She didn't spot the difference in spelling at the airport either. "I noticed that the departure time and the arrival time were very different," she said, "but I thought that was because of the time difference between Britain and Spain." When she realized her mistake, 2 hours into the flight, Georgina spoke to the flight attendant. I thought the plane was going to Spain, but it's going to the Caribbean, she said. The flight attendant was very sympathetic, allowed Georgina to sit in a first-class seat, and gave her champagne. But the plane was over the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and heading west. There was nothing that Georgina could do but wait until the plane landed at its destination. When the plane finally arrived in the Caribbean, the airline put her in a hotel for the night and then on the following day flew her to Granada in Spain. The travel agent apologized to Georgina and gave her a free ticket for her next holiday. "It was just a misunderstanding," said Georgina. "I don't blame anyone. The travel agent just misheard me. I'm certainly not complaining. They've given me a free holiday in Austria. Let's hope they don't send me a ticket to Australia."
Oh, that's quite long. Okay. Do you want to hear it one more time? What? What do you say? Shall I pause on each number? I can't hear you quite well because of your microphone. Do you want to listen again? Yes?
I think no.
No need. Ooh, okay. Let's go to the next part. Please mark your answer. Oh, mark your paper with reading. Reading. Okay.
Again, the listening part too. I have to check the answer.
Oh, which one? Task 2?
Yes, listening. I have to check again the answer.
Okay, so you want to hear it again?
No,
No need.
check.
Okay.
Yes, I check. Oh, okay, I finished.
Okay.
Next to the reading.
Reading. So if you want, you can read this whole story or you can read here. Which one do you prefer? So you can see the questions. Which one do you here?
I think the first one.
First one. Okay.
Oh my god, it's so long. I have to read all of this.
Or if you want with the question, so you can just find it on the article.
Answer letter. I read. Can I read now?
Yeah, if you want to read it by yourself into your mind. Okay. No need. In your head.
Oh my god, the paragraph is too long. I think I'm finished.
Finished?
Yes. Maybe because
Here?
there's only one question.
No, there are 5. 1 to 5. Reading, task 3. Tell me when you're done.
Okay.
Next page?
Oh no.
Not yet. Okay.
Okay.
Next
I'm
page?
going.
Okay. Did you turn off your camera? There you go.
Oh. The next is okay. I think okay.
Okay.
Next question.
Number 3.
Yes. Okay. Next question, please.
Ooh.
Next, please. Next, please.
Oh, I said it's already number 5.
Yeah. Okay. I think I finished.
Good. Let's go to the next part.
Sure.
Okay. More and more reading.
I'm gonna cry.
Mhm. I think you will love reading now.
Really love. Hello. Okay, I'm finished reading. So,
There are three questions in task 4 in this task.
no, it's far.
Mhm. It's not clear?
Uh, yeah, yes, it's clear.
This task is worth 2 points or 20 points, I think. So check your answers.
Happily.
Yeah.
Hello, 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 hello. Hi. Hello.
Mhm.
What's the main idea of power? Oh, where is the power two? Yeah, it's just one power.
I can't tell.
Where is that? Finish.
Okay. Next part.
What is this? What is the meaning of the word value? At the value. Finish.
Okay.
Finish.
Okay, next part. This is speaking. So let me just hear your answers and I will write it. Mhm. Read the questions and say your answer.
So I don't have to write it into the paper.
Yeah, no need.
Okay. So ask me the question.
Oh, please read it and then answer it.
Oh, what's your favorite animal? Of course, my favorite animal is cat and dog, and like some wild animal.
Okay.
And yes, I have pet. Oh my god, I, I have a dog, and I have answered this question, but I don't
Mm-hmm.
know where it is now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Do you have a pet?
Oh yes, I have a pet. Is a dog. I have told you this that before. And I think uh, I think pets are cute. Are cute. Are cute. Are cute. And
Why do people have pets?
I have to think. Uh, People have pets because because they are cute and reduce stress. Reduce
And
stress and reduce stress.
would you like to spell it?
Reduce stress is reduce stress. Oh my god, I have to write here.
Uh-huh, please. Wait. Let me give you the remote so you can write.
Yeah, I have write
Oh,
into the
okay, okay.
chat.
Let me see. Oh, reduce stress. Okay. Next question.
Do you often read? Of course, no.
Okay.
Of course, no. What is your favorite kind of book? My favorite kind of book is comics. Comics, comics, and comics and
Support your answer
horror, horror, and horror, and
because
oh, where?
number
What?
five.
Uh, Number five. I have answered it.
Okay.
My favorite book to read is comics, horror, and art fun, and marriage. That's it.
Okay.
Oh my god, I forgot the book e-books.
Do you have any ebook?
I think I have one. I don't remember.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the next part. You need to write on the next part, dear. You can prepare your answers. Okay.
I have to write here. Do I have to write to a paper?
If you want, you can prepare your answers and then you will talk about it here.
Okay.
Tell me when you're ready.
I will never ready about this. I need time to prepare,
Uh-huh.
and it's a very long time
You
to
still
prepare.
got 13, 12 minutes. You still got
Yes.
12 minutes. But if I were you, I will put some time to review some of my answers.
Oh, but I don't know. Oh my God, I don't have any favorite book. I,
You said you do read comics.
yes, I do it, but it's a long time ago.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Why people should read it.
my favorite.
10 minutes remaining. 7 minutes. Oh, 8 rather. This is also worth 2 points, 2 marks. Five minutes. You still have to talk about it, dear.
Okay,
Okay. Go.
I have loud.
Yes. Let me hear it.
The
You look like that. Go.
okay. Alright.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Go.
okay.
Go. You can do it.
Oh, wait. I have to read it loud.
Yes, please. Hurry, hurry. You only got 4 minutes. You won't have time to review your answers.
Okay. Wait. Okay, yeah. I have to read it loud.
Speak louder.
The book that I love the most is Doraemon. It was my childhood when I was a child until now. I still love it and keep it carefully. Almost every child loves to read it because it gives us a rich imagination, and I also want everyone to read it because they show us a beautiful friendship, a way bonding, and having mysterious adventures together, and a way find solutions when having problems together.
Mhm. Did you
I
finish?
finished.
Okay, you see, you did great. Yay! Okay, so would you like to review some of your answers and which part?
I think the 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 listening task one. I want to review it again
Sure.
because I'm not on the answer.
Okay.
Lesson 4G,
Oh my God.
exercises 3 and 4. Student 1.
The first photo shows 3 teenage girls and a boy. I think they're at a music festival. They're walking down a muddy path. In the second photo, I can see a street market at night. It can't be in Britain because some of the shop signs aren't in English. In the foreground, a young man and woman are walking along the street. In the background, there are a few other people. Both photos show people in their free time. One obvious difference is that the first photo is taken during the day and the second photo is taken at night. In the first photo, it must be a rainy day because they're wearing raincoats. In the second photo, it must be a cold night because the people are wearing winter coats and scarves.
Okay. You can find all of the answers on that part. Okay. We still got 2 minutes left.
Okay, can I listen to it again one more time, please?
Yes. Okay.
Street market at night.
Oh,
A
wait.
music festival. They're walking down a muddy path. In the second photo, I can see a street market at night. It can't be in Britain because some of the shop signs aren't in English. In the foreground, a young man and woman are walking along the street. In the background, there are a few other people. Both photos show people in their free time. One obvious difference is that the first photo is taken during the day and the second photo is taken at night. In the first photo, it must be a rainy day because they're wearing raincoats. In the second photo, it must be a cold night because the people are wearing winter coats and scarves.
Okay, time's up. Now let's
Yes,
see your answers. I will write them down. Okay. Task 1. What's your answer number 1?
some of the shop signs are out in English.
Some of the shop signs.
Out in English.
What is it? Would you like to spell it?
I don't know. Ocean.
So it's quite slang.
Ocean. Ocean.
Aunt. She said aunt. Aunt in English. So in British, R is in silent mode. Silent mode. Aunt in English. But your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. It's errant. Oh, I shouldn't say if you're right or wrong. Okay. Number 2.
Oh my God. Like, oh, oh my God. I'm so, why can I remember that word? That word.
Number 2.
I'm sorry. Oh my God. Yes, number 2, please.
What's your answer? Number 2.
It must be a rainy day because they're wearing raincoats.
Number 3.
It It must be a cold night because the people wearing winter coats and scarves.
Okay. Task 2. What's your answer in number 1?
Uh, number one, I think, is phones.
Okay, number 2.
Two,
Uh-huh. Number 3.
phones.
Number 4.
Two,
Number 5. Mm-hmm. Number 5. True?
yeah.
Okay. Reading task. Mhm. What's your answer in number 1?
E,
As in, please read your answer so I can hear better.
he didn't know. Oh, what, no. He thought, he thought. Wait, wait for me a little bit.
Okay.
He thought, he thought it would be good for his career plan.
Letter D. Okay. Number 2. Oh, sorry.
Well, uh, Sam got lost because he didn't prepare well.
Okay, number 3.
Number three, uh, some of his things. No, no, no. Uh, some of his things were missing.
Okay, number 4.
Notice his signal.
Okay, number 5.
Uh, describe describe an adventure that went wrong.
Okay. Task 4, number 1.
Uh, it provides the solution to the story.
Letter B. Solution to the
Yes.
story. Okay. Number 2.
Um, C. I don't know how to spell this word.
Swirled. Swirled. C.
Yes, here.
Okay. Number 3.
Hannah, A.
A. Okay. Speaking task. Okay, let me see speaking task. Okay, so this is my assignment. This is my part. Okay, I got your answers in speaking task. Okay, so I think that would be all for today for the exam. So after the class, I will send you the result of the exam. Okay? Do you have any
Okay.
questions? How do you feel about the
Uh,
exam?
I'm just feel scared because
Uh-huh.
I will like
You can cry now. You're done.
I'm too sleepy for cry.
Uh-huh. Don't worry, you did great. Okay, that will be all for today, Mian. Have a good night. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.